family trip. Peppa and her family are going on a trip. Mummy Pig is packing their bags.
Are you sure we need all that stuff, Mummy Pig?
Daddy Pig asks. Yes, replies Mummy Pig. It's all very important. Mr. Bull takes Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig to the airport in his taxi. Miss Rabbit checks in their bags. Then it's time to board the plane. Airplane! Meow, says George. Off they fly, higher and higher through the clouds. Whee! Before long, their pilot makes an announcement.
We are about to land in Italy.
Miss Rabbit, who is also their flight attendant, says, Please fasten your seatbelts. At the airport in Italy, they find their rental car. Once they are on the road, they discover that the GPS only speaks Italian. Why is everyone beeping their horns at us? Asks Peppa. I think they are just saying hello, says Mummy Pig. Suddenly, Peppa remembers something very important. Teddy! I left Teddy on the airplane! Oh dear, a policeman on a motorbike pulls Daddy Pig over.
Hello, officer,
says Daddy Pig nervously.
Good day,
the policeman replies, reaching into his bag.
I am returning this young bear.
Teddy! Cries Peppa. Once they arrive in town, Mummy Pig suggests they do some sightseeing. Their new friend Gabriella Goat shows them her pretty village. Mummy Pig buys a lot of things to take home. They are going to need another suitcase. Gabriella's uncle shows Peppa and George how pizza is made.
A little bit of tomato, a little bit of cheese,
says Uncle Goat. Into the oven and into my tummy, says Peppa. I like pizza. What a lovely, relaxing trip, says Mummy Pig as Daddy Pig drives back to the house where they are staying. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has been pulled over again.
Mr. Pig,
says the policeman, reaching into his bag.
Your Teddy.
Teddy! Cries Peppa. After a few more days of fun, it is time for Peppa and her family to go home. Bye-bye, they call to Gabriella Goat and her family.
What a lovely trip,
exclaims Daddy Pig. Yes, I've never felt so relaxed, says Mummy Pig. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has been pulled over by the police for a third time.
Mr. Pig, please take better care of your Teddy,
he says. Teddy! Cries Peppa, hugging her bear. We're going home today. Susie Sheep is waiting for Peppa when she gets home. It rained while you were away, says Susie. Hooray! Cries Peppa. Family trips are fun, but coming home to muddy puddles is even better. Peppa thinks Teddy is happy to be home too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.